With the online class expected to start soon, actually many private schools have already started, parents and teachers are cramming to get a set of reliable gadgets that they and the kids can use. One integral part of this set of tools has always been overlooked: the headsets. By the time you realize that the built-in microphone and speakers from your phone or computer is not good enough, you've already exhausted your budget to other things. But don't worry, I'm here to suggest a reliable headset that won't break the bank. It is even cheaper than your usual value meal orders. Let's get started. This is KZ EDR. Oh, that won't work. This is KZ EDR. This is KZ. This is KZ. This is KZ. Oh, this is K. Yes! This is KZ EDR1. KZ earphones are based on China. This is one of those reliable and durable brands from China. It's up there in the level of Xiaomi Piston earphone series. You'll have an option here for no mic or mic. Of course, you'll have to get the one with microphones if you're using this for homeschooling. This is a basic wired earphone with 3.5mm jack, 16 ohms impedance, and 8mm drivers. So don't expect too much here. The earphone shell is made of aluminum alloy though, so we can expect durability here. So let's open it up. Oh, still don't got it. Let me cut that one. Oh, I already wrecked the box. What is happening to me today? Oh, let me just get a new one. Alright, good thing I ordered 3 of this. The other one is already being used by my daughter for almost 2 months now. Here we go, I've opened it at last. The packaging of this is really good and secured. It is reminiscent of the packaging of the Xiaomi Piston Fresh, which is one of my trusted brands when it comes to cheap earphones. But after the lockdown due to the pandemic, I can only buy cheap earphones from Miniso, but they don't last that long. Maybe a maximum of only 3 to 4 months. Okay, here we go. Let me just get that manual. Oh, it's upside down and I spilled everything. Yup, the most organized review ever. Let's do another take on that. Alright, so now we are taking it out and let's make sure it's on the right side this time. Okay, we have the earphone and some extra ear tips here. There are 2 pairs here, one small and one big ear tips. Let's open it up. Let me show you one of the ear tips. This is the small one. Okay, let's put that aside and let's get the manual. So we have a warranty card here, all in Chinese. I don't know what's the use of that. And we have the user manual. It's back to back. Good printing actually. But I'm not going to read that. It's only an earphone anyway. Let's put this one aside. Let's go to the main event, the earphones. So this actually is a good looking earphone. I like the design of this better than the Piston Fresh. Looks premium. This is the mic control, so it has a pause and a play button and the mic receiver at the back. And we have the 3.5mm jack. It has 3 rings for left and right audio and the mic, and highlighted in blue. And we have the earphones itself. So it looks like a good ear tips here, and it really is an aluminum alloy. We have a blue ring gold plating, and an embossed back. Looks really good. Really premium looking earphone for only less than 200 pesos. And the wire is really good also. Feels like a rubber wire and looks really strong. And as I've said, my kid is already using this for almost 2 months now. There are no issues. And you know how kids are on gadgets, so it really looks durable and looks premium. It doesn't look like it, but I have been testing the KZ EDR1 for several days now, using it on music, watching videos, taking calls both from my phone and PC, and also been testing the microphone. And the microphone has really impressed me. It is way beyond what I was expecting. It has no noise cancelling, but it is definitely usable for online schooling purposes, maybe even for office conference calls. The pickup on the user's voice is solid and clear, and almost no distortion at all. Listen to this mic test so you'd know what I'm talking about. Okay, testing my EDR1 with some sound from the TV beside me. I'm going to turn off the TV now and going to go in front of a mini fan. This is just a mini fan, and I'm going out the mini fan and going to a quieter place and closing my mouth with the microphone. So how do I sound now? Is it okay? See, EDR1's microphone is solid, right? As for the sound quality, it is what I expected. The bass is not present at all, and the highs are really teeny and it hurts to listen to it. The mids are really clear, which I think is all the level that this earphone can produce. But do remember that I am endorsing this for online school purposes and not for music listening. I'm not saying it is unusable for music though, just don't expect any bass and stay away from those highs. Testing for left and right stereo sound is also good. When the sound is on the left side, the right side produces maybe 50% less sound, and vice versa, giving you the stereo sound effects. Durability is definitely the best selling point of this product. The head is definitely aluminum. The wires, which tangles a lot, is really strong as well, with rubber feels. My kid has been using one pair a lot more extensively for the past almost 2 months, and considering the kid's track record on earphones, it definitely passes the best durability test we parents can do. If you're one of those parents or teachers or students who needs a cheap alternative for Google Meet or Zoom or Google Classroom headsets, KZ EDR1 is definitely one of the best options out there. For less than 200 Philippine peso, you'll have a reliable, durable, good-looking, and solid headset for voice calls. I hope this video helps, and if it does, please consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Zuj for watching. Nubayer.